Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about cooking the perfect barley. I love barley. It's a great grain. It's wonderful in soups. It's wonderful with like roasted vegetables. It's tasty, but it's also can be kind of tricky and kind of, easy to fuck up a little bit, I'm going to be honest. So here's how you cook the perfect barley. Let me get to showing you. So the first thing to making the perfect barley is that you have to rinse it. You want to get all of the debris and grit that could possibly be in there. I would typically do this over the sink, but I just want to show you, show you the action. It's easier to do it in a bowl of water. Just rinse it clean. Just takes a few seconds and you can add it perfectly wet to the next step. Okay, so the first thing for our perfect barley is some salt. We want to salt the water, and then we're going to add in our barley. Now we're just cooking it just like pasta. The reason here is that by cooking it like pasta, it actually cooks quicker and it always comes out perfect. This is hulled barley, so it's not pearl barley, so this takes a little bit longer to cook because it has the bran around it, where pearl barley actually has that bran removed. So we're gonna shave off about 10-15 minutes of cook time just by cooking it like pasta. Just bring that back up to a boil. Okay, here's our perfectly cooked barley. How great does that look? Super easy using this pasta method. Comes out perfect every single time. So that's it. That's all it takes to cook the perfect barley, right? You just cook it just like pasta. Now, typically barley takes about 40 minutes to cook, but in this method, you'll shave off a good 10 minutes or so, which makes it cook a lot faster. And that means more delicious barley for you. I used a hulless barley in this video, but you can also cook a pearl barley, which cooks a lot faster. It's the whiter grain. Check that out if you want. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something you want to see, drop a comment. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'll see you next time.